Hello and welcome to our latest episode, and this one you'll see the festival that we went. It's called Gathering of Tribes. It's a festival that it's a mixture between, how can I say, maybe Burning Man and Web Summit, something like that. You will also see two moments that mark the end of the summer, but this one is all about removing the shading net that we had at our nursery. The winds came again.
The whimsical winds of the south.
The rain came again and the structure didn't hold up quite as we were thinking it would hold up. The other part that also marks the end of the summer, it's
Summer cleaning.
so hang in there and let's see the things that we've been doing.
So, our travel started at Silveira Tech all the way up till Viana do Castelo.
Olhaste para o coisa quando estava a tampa da câmara.
Isso acontece-me bem. Time to eat the road.
Está gravado, não está? Qual é que eu vou dizer? Obrigada.
Está gravado?
Ready to roll?
Ready to roll, let's go!
Hi Daniel.
Olha ali a cena de... Oi.
É melhor sair por aqui do que lá por cima, não é?
Sei lá.
Também não sabe? Oh pai, que eu vim por cima, mano, que aventura, foda-se.
And after this funny moment with a cab driver, we finally reached our destination, the Gathering of Tribes. Time to set up the camp.
André! Como é que isto se para? André, como é que isto se para? André? Como é que isto se para?
No botão. Do lado
Não,
direito.
shit, Sherlock.
Tem alguma cárie?
Time for Pedro's dental appointment. And sorry Joana, sometimes I think I'm funny. Ciao Joana.
The biggest challenge we have is the fact that we don't have a forest, even though you see a lot of trees there. What we have is a monoculture of eucalyptus and a more pervasive one, which is the acacia tree, that actually have the commitment to work under very difficult conditions. Having said that, it's actually quite fun.
The gathering was a great time to present our project, to discuss it, to discover new projects, to discover new ways of doing things, and to do some team building. And yeah, it were some great times. Thanks João for the soundtrack.
Quick note, I just want to let you know that if you like our work that we are doing with these 230 hectares of land, you can become a member by going to this website. Thank you.
And with the deer mating season comes the wind and the rain. And as we will see next, the nursery structure took a big hit.
Summer's gone. We need to take this out. We need to sort out this tragedy.
And plant them on the land.
Yeah, we'll try. It's not doing well.
This is Wilson, our new teammate. I'm sure he will fit in. Now, time to put our hands to work and remove the shading net.
Those are beasts!
Thank you.
We know, Pedro, but thanks. Where is Daniel?
I'm over here. On the forgotten lands, destruction took place. The whimsical winds of the south, facing unexpected challenges. The Rangers will fight to protect the land.
We're removing the shading net because it's autumn. We don't need to protect them from the heat of the sun. Neither we need the watering system because it will start to rain again. It's a good time. And it's not all about tragedy. Even with the tears entering in because the electrical fence couldn't hold up, it didn't have enough voltage, and the problem with the structure, we still have a lot of plants thriving, even the plants that were hidden by the tears. Time for a quick presentation by Daniel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are moving some rocks. So these are typical Portuguese rocks. I don't know if it's focusing on camera, but yeah, they were just here and I think they are so special. So we're gonna move them apart today. So join me in this journey.
Daniel, are you trying to influence people to get our rocks?
Yes.
Again? How dare you?
So I just wanna do a quick disclaimer that this video is not sponsored by the rocks. They did not pay me to promote them or whatsoever. They just sent me like this super cute PR packaging, which I appreciate. Like, look at this moss over here. So cute. I'm done. End of scene.
And then we took care of our plants with a beautiful landscape on the background with the help of Niels and Ruben.
Why, hello.
So what are we doing today?
Summer cleaning.
So we're building more shelves like that one to...
Yeah, we have more tools, more people, more equipment, so we're gonna need more organization structures.
It was also time to take care of our 2 containers. This means cleaning and organizing. We start by taking out most of the things that we had inside. We then assembled a new shelf.
So we're trying to find some solution to make these pallets we're using to store all of our tools, make them more stable so they don't fall on us with the sharp edges. So it's part of the organization initiative.
This is the sketch. And these are all the tools that we need to put over there. Bulota had a little incident with the wasps.
He's probably hunting for wasps. He has a big face now. She's purring, but look at that.
We were a bit scared, but we maintained a watch on her and she was very playful. As I said.
Yeah, she's playful.
Now, time to keeping the build on the structure for the tools. So we made it sturdier, more secure and with more space available. Time to put them in. And this is container 1. We have space for our gear, a bench to dress up, and we improvised some shelves with these baskets. Take note, IKEA. And everything fit in. Well done. On container 2 we started by doing the same, removing everything, then assembling a new shelf. Me falling.
Don't die.
Yeah, I didn't. Thanks for carrying
What's going on, guys?
That's why you're okay.
And then we put everything together and organized. João is feeling proud. Well done. So, we'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching and take care.